King Senio coming in today with a brand new video. It's been 1 week that I posted a video about me having alopecia, my hair coming out. Now it's time to make a change, guys. It is time to make a change to my head, you know? So what I decided I'm gonna do is put some locks into my head. And as you guys can see with my head right here, probably wondering how I'm gonna get some locks. Bam! That's how I'm gonna do it right here. The new Bobby Boss new locks. I'm gonna put those into my head. As you guys can see, I got them in a 14-inch. So before we get this video started, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified when I upload a video. So let's get into the video. Okay, wait a minute. First of all, before we get started doing my hair, as you guys can see, my hair is blonde, it's brown, I'm balding, LOL. But these locks are black, so I purchased me some black dye. I'm gonna dye my whole entire head black so it can look natural and gorgeous on me. So now we can get to the video, guys. So your boy is back. As you guys can see, I dyed my roots. What I did was I just went ahead and dyed my roots, guys. That's about it. On both sides, pretty much. So my hair is still brown, but I just went ahead and did the roots black because of that color. It took it some, but I still see some color in it, but it's okay, guys. So I'm not going to use the brush to blow dry my hair because I want to keep my roots kind of kinky and nappy a little bit. So I'm gonna just go ahead and blow dry these roots or whatnot, guys, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, now that I'm done blow drying, as you guys can see, my hair is all over the place. I got some thick hair. It's like the roots are thick, but it's like all this is thin up top. But anywho, we ain't talking about that. We talk about these locks I'm about to put in. I got me some mega thin new growth oils right here. I'm gonna put into my scalp. So I'm gonna put that all in my scalp, guys. Massage it in. So now that I'm all done putting that in, guys, let's see if I can fix my camera for you guys and go up a little bit. Okay. Now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and get myself prepared for the locks so I can put these bad boys in. And I seen another YouTuber put them in, so I'm going to do them how she did them because I like how she did hers. So alright, y'all, as I can see, I started the first few right here and they're coming out pretty good. Alright, y'all, I'm down to the very last end of my hair. As you guys can see, I'm actually liking these right here. There's only one that I messed up on. It's somewhere right here. I think it's on the side somewhere. Yeah, this one right here, as you guys can see. I'm thinking about cutting these. And the good thing I like about these right here is that I have some of my old locks that's dyed blonde. So what I'm going to do is to make it look more and more realistic, I'm going to take a few of my old dreads that's dyed blonde and I'm going to sew those to a couple of these on here and make it look more realistic. So when I get done, which I'm going to finish on the camera with you guys, when I get done or whatnot, I want to see if I'm going to cut it or not. What you guys think? Think I should cut it, leave it alone? but I'm actually liking these right here. So I'm gonna do the last one for you guys. Let me pin my hair back. I'm gonna do this last one for y'all. So this is the last piece right here. And crazy to say, I used one whole pack and I only have 2 left out of this whole pack. So you're gonna take it, oops, my bad. You're gonna take it like this, and you're gonna find the loop like this right here, and I have it sitting on my thumb. So I'm just gonna basically part my hair into 2 like this right here. I'm gonna take one of these and pull it through. So now that the lock is on there, you're basically going to pull into 3 strands, and you're gonna plait it at the root like I'm doing. And make sure you don't do it too tight. You don't want to look too fake. You want to look kind of real. So plait it a little bit at the root like I'm doing. And we're gonna use this as an anchor. Now that it's plaited, I'm gonna 2 strand twist it all the way. I'm going to find which way, which I think the rotation is this way. Yeah, that rotation is that way. And I'm going to basically unravel and twist. You're going to go down and down. You're going to unravel it a little bit. You're going to twist it around. So basically, as you're unraveling the hair, it wraps around your real hair, which is right here. So you're going to do it like this. Now that I am completely done, as you guys can see, I have locks now. Alright y'all, I am all done, as you guys can see. And if you can tell, I got a little hint of color over here. What I might do is I might take some of my old locks. This is my real actual lock right here. And I might bleach these right here. And I might put a few more in my hair. But as you guys can see, I got a little hint of color right there in my locks. And I'm loving them. And I think I'm going to keep these in for a while, guys. So, hey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. And please don't forget to hit that bell button so you can get notified when your boy uploads videos. So as you guys can see, I won't be able to do any hairstyle in my head, but I do have lots of videos coming for you guys, so stay tuned, alright? Peace. Love to you guys.